Students, today we are going to read lesson number 12, the gift of the Magi. Magi means in Bible the three wise men who brought gift for Jesus. It means the gift for the occasion of Christmas. Della is a young lady, finished her cry and attended to her cheeks with the powder puff. Powder puff means face powder. Della she finished her cry and then she used face powder on her cheeks. She stood by the window and looked out duly means without interest at a grey means a color. Grey cat walking a grey fence. Fence means wall in a grey backyard. And Della, she stood by the window, near the window, and then she started to look out without interest to a grey cat which was walking on a grey wall in a grey backyard. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day and she had only $1.87 with which to buy Jim a present. And tomorrow there would be an occasion of Christmas and she had only $1.87 with which she wanted to buy a gift for Jim. Jim was her husband. She had been saving every penny. Penny means money, or you can say a cent. She could for month, and she had saved only, and she was saving every penny she could save for months. $20 a week doesn't go far, and then she thought that $20 a week that would be not enough. Expenses had been greater than she had calculated, and then she had calculated the expenses, but the expenses are greater than that. They always are, and she said the expenses are always greater than she had calculated. Only $1.87 to buy a present for her Jim, and she had only $1.87 to buy a present for Jim, her husband. Many a happy hour she had spent planning for something nice for him, and she spent many happy hours to plan that which gift she buy for Jim. Something fine and rare, something worthy for the honor of being owned by Jim, and she wanted to buy a gift which was fine and rare. Rare means unique, and which was useful for Jim. She was looking out of the window. Della was looking out of the window. Suddenly she whirled. Whirl means move in circle from the window and stood before the glass. Glass means mirror. Her eyes were shining brightly, but her face had lost its color within 20 seconds. Her eyes were shining brightly, but her face had lost its color within 20 seconds. Means she was very upset. Quickly, she pulled down her hair and let it fall to its full length. And quickly, she pulled down her hair. It means she untied her hair and then she let her hair to fall in its full length. It means she opened her hairs. Now there was two possession of James Dillingham Youngs, means Jim and Della, the couple, in which they both took a bride. Bride means bridey, and they both have only two possession. Possession means blocking, on which the couple can took a bride. One was Jim's gold watch that had been his father and grandfather's, and one was there in the two possession. One was Jim's gold watch which belonged to his father and grandfather. The other was Della's hair, and the second possession was Della's hair. Had the Queen of Sheba lived in the flat across their place, the Queen of Sheba, she lived in a flat across Della's place. Della would have let her hair hang out the window someday just to depreciate. Depreciate means become less in value. Her Miss Della's majesty's jewels and gifts. The Queen of Sheba, she lived in the flat across Della's place. Della, she would have untied her hair and let it fall to its full length on out of the window, just to show that the Della's hair is most precious than the Queen Sheba's majesty jewels and the gift which was given to her by the King Solomon. Had King Solomon had been the janitor, Janitor means बच्चे a person who take care of cleaning and repairing the building with all his treasures built up in the basement. Jim would have pulled out his watch every time he passed, just to see him pluck at his bird for envy. And the King Solomon, who was same as a janitor, and he have all his treasure which was piled up in the basement. And whenever Jim passed there near him, he always pulled out his watch every time, just to show the king. And the king, he pluck at his beard from envy, means he pluck his beard for jealous, because he jealous him. It means the king Solomon, he also have a desire to get that gold watch.